Dear sir, I really would like a free slushy cup for Easter.
Don't worry, kid. You can have one.
Wow, really?
Sure. Right after you watch 5 times and subscribe.
Oh!
Please, sir, save me.
What happened?
My baby brother wants my cup.
What can I do?
Can you just give him one too?
As long as your brother likes, watches 3 times, and subscribes.
Excuse me, miss? Can I buy a slushy cup?
No, we are not selling these cups.
So how can I get one?
Just hit like and watch my videos 3 times. Then subscribe so you don't miss my next video.
Cool, all done.
And 1 free slushy cup reserved just for you.
I hate you.
Why, sir? What did I do?
You lied to me. You didn't send me a free slushy cup.
Sir, did you read the channel description?
No.
Please read it. Then like this video and watch it 5 times.
Oh, I read it now. You do regular competitions.
Yes, so just subscribe, and I will enter you into the next giveaway. The more subscribers we get, the quicker we will pick a winner. Don't forget to comment when you're done.
Why did you take my cup back?
Cause you unsubscribe.
So I gotta stay subscribed to keep my cup?
Yes, and also like the videos and watch every day.
Okay, I will do all that right now, so give me back my cup.
Yes, and don't unsubscribe again.
No, never again.
Can I get an ice cream slushie?
Sorry, we don't sell slushy.
How can I get one?
Just hit like and watch 3 times, also subscribe.
Done that now.
I will send your slushy cup tomorrow.
But will I get ice cream with it?
Leave a comment and I'll see what I can do.
Hey, Frosty friends. Now that the weather is getting hot, we all need a slushy cup, right?
Hey you, where's my cup?
It's in London.
Send me my cup. I live in Paris.
Until you like and subscribe, we can't ship to Paris.
Oh, I gotta subscribe?
Hell yeah!
Why did my friend receive 2 slushy cups?
'Cause he liked all my videos and watched them 6 times. He subscribed and shared his favorites.
So if I share, will you send me 2 cups?
Yeah, just let me know when you're done.
Hey miss, my sister tricked me and ran away with my slushy cup. I don't have a cup.
Poor you. Well, you know what you gotta do to get one right.
What?
Like, watch 4 times, and subscribe.
Cool, all done.
Your sister can keep the cup.
Hey, Frosty friends, not long till we do our next draw. Make sure not to miss the competition video coming very soon, where we will give away a 15 pounds Amazon gift card, so you can get your very own cup on us. In the meantime, make sure you like, watch, and subscribe.
I just received my slushy cup. Thank you, miss.
No worries.
I always thought it was a con, but you proved me wrong.
Well, you did all the steps. But if you spread the word and get your friends and family to like, subscribe, and watch, I will send you another 2 cups.
Oh, wow. I am onto it. Frosty, I watched the whole video and still didn't get a cup.
Did you watch it more than once?
Yep, 3 times back to back.
Did you remember to like it?
Of course.
Most importantly, did you subscribe?
Oh no, I forgot that part.
Sub up and the Frosty magic begins.
I did everything you said. Where's my cup?
You liked the video?
Yup. Hit the thumbs up right away.
Watched it all the way through.
Twice, just to be sure.
And you're subscribed to the channel.
Wait, do shorts count?
Only if you subscribe, go hit that button.